Ka Indian Council for Cultural Relations ICCR Zonal Office Northeast haringkat ka jingat freelang bat ka Tnad Arts and Culture ka Sarkar jila kan pelong yak 11th India International Dance and Music Festival kab arsingi kinthi kata hak arpu ar bat arpu lai trik kala linkan arja arpun rio ha ususu tham auditorium shillong ha kapor Henry waji janmin Habakran Shakilar Pathekabor, Hashlong Press Club, Hakar Poetry Ukla Lincoln, U Director Indian Council for Cultural Relations, U N Munish Singh, Ulayat Ho Bakanika Tamasar Wai Batshan, Class Dang New Delhi, But Haikiway Pan Kanthob Bangalore, Baroda, Ahmedabad, Jammu, Chandigarh, But Manta Kalawan Pai Shishlang. Ha kani kata masa ba arsni on one roi but demi ki jing roi tan rai na lightly ki ri ka perthei kanthop na Maldives, Kyrgyzstan but Burkina Faso.
We are organizing 11th India International Dance and Music Festival in Shillong at the Usosotam Auditorium on the 22nd and the 23rd of this month, that is January 2026, at 6 from 6 p.m. onwards. So we are organizing this event in collaboration with the Department of Art and Culture, Government of Meghalaya. So we are very happy that amongst us we have a very colorful troupe from Kyrgyzstan, and they are known as the Alam folk cultural team. So they just arrived in Shillong and they're gonna perform tomorrow at the Sosotam Auditorium. Tomorrow, Kyrgyzstan will be performing their folklore, culture, music, everything. As you can see, the colorful costumes that they are wearing. So we are gonna see a lot of their song, dance, and the musics all together in one compact, event. So again on the 23rd, we have groups from Maldives. It's a rock fusion band who can perform. They are known as the 21st. And then we have another group also from a country, Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso. This is a musical ensemble that we're gonna organize. So this 11th India International Dance and Music Festival, we kick-started it from New Delhi, and then it is being organized in other 6 states of 6 other places of North India, including Shillong. We have Bangalore, Jammu, Chandigarh, Baroda, Ahmedabad, like that, and then ultimately in Shillong we are starting from tomorrow and day after. It is a part of the cultural accents, and we're going to see the vibrant culture of these 3 very rich cultural places, countries that we have. That is starting from the Kyrgyzstan, then the Maldives and Burkina Faso. Thank you so much. Yeah, our local artists will also be there to perform in certain places, as a joint performance, but mainly it is for our groups from abroad. A folk festival, India International Folk Festival. This one is Dance and Music Festival. Yes, last year also, during the same time, we have organized the same kind of event. Yeah, you are very correct.
What is the response?
Response is really good, and Shillong is one of the favorite place for our artists from foreign countries to perform. Last time also, previous our edition also was a grand success. We did it at Larity multi-purpose hall, and it was highly successful. And we believe that our tomorrow's event also and the after also will also be a very colorful event with the audience from all around coming to see the beautiful event. Music has no language, no community, no bar. Music connects people through their own way. So I believe that this kind of cultural access definitely will help our local artists, local artists as well as our artists from Kyrgyzstan will also take away some of the fond memories and the culture and the lifestyle, music, dance of this place also. So it's like a exchange of culture, as I said. So this definitely will help in both ends.